Here's a quick look at how to play New York by Stephen Fretwell. We're going to be in drop D for this song. The riff's going to start off on a D major chord. Play the open E string, which is now a D, strum down, up, down, up. Got the full D chord, second finger off, second finger on, then the pinky finger goes on and the other two fingers, first and second finger, come off. And that's like a transition into our G with a B in the bass chord here. So we've got first finger on the A string, second fret, third finger, third fret of the B, and pinky finger, third fret of the high E string. That's our second chord. So D, full, off, on, pinky, hit the bass, second fret on the A string, then we're going to strum down, up, then we're going to take the first finger and pinky off and just leave this third finger on while we transition to the next chord, hitting the high E strings there. So the third shape we're going to play is this shape here. Got second finger, fifth fret of the D, and third finger, fifth fret of the B string. All the strings are open. We're going to play A open, up, down, then on an up strum we're going to grab the third fret on the B here, then go back to our 5 and 5 chord, and slide it up to 7. So slowly, grab the E string straight after, then up, down, down, down. Then we're going to grab 10 on the A string, then E, B and G open, down, up, then go to 9 on the A string, up, down, up, 7, 5, and to the open A string. So slowly we have 10, 9, 7, 5, open, and go to that G shape, 5 on the D, 4 on the G, 3 on the B. Slide it up 2 frets, 7, 6 and 5. Slide it back down. Slide it back up 2 frets. That's the intro. The verse is very similar to the intro, it's actually a little bit easier. We start off with the D chord again, we've got the low E, D chord full, then D chord again, off second finger, on second finger, transition chord, and then to the G with the B in the bass, second fret down the A string, up, down, down, down. So D, open A string, we go to that 5 and 5 chord. This time we're just going to stay on there and strum up, down, down. And then we'll go straight back to the D chord, open low E, full D chord, and then we've got second finger off, 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 on. And we hear the open strings as we change to that little run, 10, 9, 7, 5, open in the G chord, sliding up to that A. Back through the riff, D, G with the B in the bass, A, D, and the run, 10, 9, 7, 5 to the G, slide to A, slide back down to the G, slide up to the A, and that only happens the down and back up before we go into the chorus. The chorus is really easy to play. The first chord is this chord. You have second finger, fifth fret the low E, and third finger, fifth fret the high E, open G and B strings as well. I'm going to play 5 on the low E, up, down, up. I'm going to drop down to 4 on the low E, up, down, up. Then we go down to 2 on the low E and 2 on the high E, and do exactly the same. Bass up, down, bass up, down. So 5 and 5. 4 and 5, 2 and 2, 2 and 2. That repeats. For more guitar tutorials, check out this link here. Good luck with this one, happy practicing, and take care.